Vascu Flow Drops are marketed as a solution designed to improve blood circulation, reduce swelling, and promote overall vascular health. While the claims sound promising, many are questioning whether these drops truly work or if they're just another scam. Some users report positive experiences, stating that they noticed reduced leg cramps, improved energy levels, and better overall circulation after consistent use. However, significant concerns remain. Many users have expressed disappointment, noting no noticeable improvements in their symptoms despite regular use. The lack of scientific evidence or clinical studies supporting the product's effectiveness raises doubts about its legitimacy. Additionally, the high price point and vague ingredient list make it difficult to assess its safety or value. Some customers also mention poor customer service and difficulty obtaining refunds when dissatisfied. In a nutshell, while Vascu Flow Drops may appeal to those seeking natural solutions for circulation issues, their inconsistent results and questionable credibility make them hard to recommend confidently. Always consult your doctor and explore trusted alternatives before trying this product. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.